The wildfires ravaging Los Angeles County have claimed the lives of at least 24 individuals, leaving a trail of destruction across the region. The Palisades and Eaton fires, ignited amid a fierce windstorm, have devastated communities, destroying over 12,000 structures and scorching more than 60 square miles of land in just a few days. As firefighters battle the blazes, the situation remains dire. With winds expected to intensify, officials have issued red flag warnings, predicting conditions that could lead to explosive fire growth. The fires, now among California's most destructive, have forced over 92,000 residents to evacuate, with curfews imposed in affected areas to ensure safety. The emotional toll on the community is palpable. Survivors recount harrowing escapes, with some residents forced to abandon their vehicles and flee on foot as flames engulfed their neighborhoods. "This happened just spur of the moment," said one Pacific Palisades resident, reflecting the chaos that unfolded as the fire spread rapidly. In the aftermath, authorities are working tirelessly to assess the damage and locate the missing. As of now, 23 individuals remain unaccounted for, with search efforts ongoing. The Los Angeles County Sheriff has urged patience as they sift through the rubble, a grim task that has already uncovered human remains. In response to the crisis, President Biden has pledged federal assistance, emphasizing the administration's commitment to supporting wildfire survivors. Meanwhile, local leaders are coordinating recovery efforts, including the establishment of disaster recovery centers to aid those affected. As Los Angeles braces for more high winds, the community stands united in resilience, facing the challenges ahead with hope and determination.